Hello and thank you so much for tuning in at Janil Hair Collection. Today we are going to learn step by step on how to make this type of artificial locks that I do love making. There are 70 pieces and I used 2 packets of fluffy kinky, that is the black part, and then the gray part I just used 1 roll of Brazilian yarn. So this is the type of hair that I do use. This is fluffy kinky, very affordable. And then this is the yarn, Brazilian wool, Brazilian yarn. You can find it at any beauty shop. So that is all the information on it. And this is the type of pin crochet that I used. It has a small hook, and this is how the Brazilian yarn looks like. And to get this particular length, I had to roll it on my hand a couple of times and split it into 2, and I came up with this particular size that you're seeing. And I have to unravel it so that it will be bouncy and hairy like that. And then according to the length that I want to get, I have to fold it a couple of times like that, and now I'm good to go. I'll start tucking in the hair. And when you're doing this type of artificial locks, you do really need to take your time, and the thing here is just how you're tucking the hair. So you can see as the pin crochet is going in, my thumb, it's rolling the hair over on my second finger, and it's helping me so that the hair will lock nicely. And I'm doing this clockwise and anti-clockwise, so you can see my thumb is moving on the other side and the crochet is pulling the hair on the other side. So I call that clockwise and anti-clockwise here. And for now, I'm just going to continue with that tucking. And tucking, it will depend with your tucking method. You can repeat it as many times as you want until you're satisfied and you're satisfied with how your lock came out. So for me, now I'm done with the bottom part the way you're seeing, so I have to redo it until I'm satisfied. So I'm going to repeat tucking. I'll repeat until now I'm good to go. So you can see the gray part. I love how it looks like. So for now, I'll have to take the fluffy kinky. That's how it looks like before unraveling. So for now, I'll just start unraveling the hair. This hair takes a lot of time, and if you're wondering how I do this, I make 10 on each day. So by the time the week is over, I have my 70 pieces of locks, because I have other videos to do. I do my own editing. So for now, I'll just brush the hair to make it fine and bouncy. But brushing is optional. Whether you want to do it or not, you're good to go. So for now, I'll just make a section like that. 1 strand of fluffy kinky was giving me 3 strands of artificial locks. So for now, I'll have to fold it back like that and take a scissor and split it so that it will be fine. And for now, I'll have to join the gray part with the black part like that. So I'll have to roll the hair over, and I'll start again tucking in. So at this particular time, joining the 2, you really need to take your time again, so that it will just it will hold firmly, and no one will notice the 2 parts are joining. It will just be flowing. I hope you're getting what I'm trying to say. So I'll have to repeat tucking in the hair in and out until it's it's family, like it holds a family. Yeah, I hope you're getting what I'm trying to let you guys know, what really happens when you're joining the two parts together. So I'll continue with the tacking method, and you can see now I'm ready to continue with the rest of tacking. And when you're doing this type of artificial locks, it has three steps. Yeah, so the first step is just randomly tucking in the hair so that the lock will form, and then the second step is just to, you're kind of tightening but not too much, tucking all the excess hair above the lock. And then the third step now is just go ahead and to make it more neat, so you'll have to palm roll the hair. So for now you can see my first step is done. Yeah, that's how it looks like, but you can repeat each step as many times as you want until you get satisfied. So for now I'm going ahead with the second step, trying to get all the excess hair above the lock as I tighten, and it's just the same thing. You can see my thumb on my left finger, it's rolling the hair over on top of my finger as the crochet is going in and out as I tuck in the hair. And like I said, I call this clockwise and anti-clockwise, yeah, so that the lock will form, because you can see my thumb on my left hand, it's moving on the other side, so I call that anti-clockwise. And then the other side, on my right side where the pin crochet is moving in and out, I call that clockwise. So when you're doing this type of hair for the first time, it's very, very hard. I won't lie to you, you'll find yourself, you'll be sticking yourself, you'll be like, this thing is not working. When you see other people doing it, you'll be like, is that magic or what? But trust me, if you keep on trying this, it will come to perfection, and it will be fun to you. When you're free, on your free time, you'll be like, let me go ahead and do some artificial locks. Yeah, and for me, I do sell this type of locks that you're seeing. Yeah, I do sell this type of hair to salons. I have friends who tell a friend, and that's how I get customers on how I sell this type of hair. And again, thank you so much for people who go on my Instagram page and order my hair. Yeah, it has really helped me a lot. Thank you so much. So if you love this type of lock that I'm doing now, this one is not, I haven't get anyone buying this. So if you love this, go ahead and order it from my Instagram page. So for now, I'll have to take a little bit of oil here just to protect my palm as I do palm rolling. And it's not just palm rolling, you need to, like, you're pressing it down as you're palm rolling to make it more neat here, yeah, so that your tacking won't be seen. And from what you're seeing, we are done. This is ready for installation. Yeah, so I'm going to repeat the same thing for you who didn't get right what I was doing earlier. So I'm just going ahead and unravel the Brazilian yarn so that it will be hairy and bouncy. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and do that, and after that I'll have to fold it a couple of times, yeah, according to the length that I want to get. And I'll go ahead and now start tucking in the hair the way you're seeing. Yeah, and before I forget, if you're coming across a Janelle hair collection for the first time, feel welcome here. Welcome to my journey. I do more of hair, I do more of these artificial locks that you're seeing, and I do hope you love the type of content that I do share here on YouTube. So I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It really counts a lot, and it's free. Subscribing to my channel, it keeps me going, and at the same time it keeps me motivated doing YouTube videos, it's not easy, it's hard. You need to take your time doing this. Yeah, so when you subscribe to my channel, it really motivates me, and at the same time, for you not to miss any of my video, you just need to turn on the notification bell on. It's something like a bell under the video, and you'll be posted or notified anytime, any day that I do upload a video. And again, I would love to thank you all for taking your time and watch my videos. You guys have made me to be where I am today, so I appreciate your support so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for liking my videos. And for now, I'm going to fold the hair like that, yeah, and not forgetting to split it like that. And I'm going now to join the gray part with the black part, and then I'll have to roll the hair over, yeah, like that. And then now I'm good to start tucking in the hair. And for now, I hope you're getting right what I'm trying to share with you guys, and I hope you're learning something. I hope you're finding this helpful. I hope you'll share this with a friend, and at the same time, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment. So I'm going to stop right by here and let you guys continue watching this up to the end. So thank you for taking your time to stay with me up to at this point. So continue watching this, and you will learn every step that I'm trying to share with you guys.